Meaning of Henry VII.
Henry VII.
Henry VII.
Henry VII.
Henry VII. Henry VII was the first monarch of the Tudor dynasty and ruled England from 1485 to 1509. He came to power after defeating Richard III at the Battle of Bosworth Field, which ended the Wars of the Roses. Henry was known for his financial and administrative reforms, including the establishment of the Court of Star Chamber and the creation of the Royal Mint. He also oversaw the beginning of England's overseas expansion and exploration, including the expeditions of John Cabot to North America. Overall, Henry's reign marked a period of stability and prosperity for England.